Welcome, seekers of balance and clarity. Today, we delve into the transformative topic of digital minimalism and how it can be enriched with the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. In this video, we'll explore the principles of digital minimalism, its benefits, and practical strategies for incorporating Stoic philosophy into our digital lives. Let's embark on this journey together, understanding how we can reclaim our time and mental space in an increasingly digital world. In our hyper-connected world, the constant barrage of digital information can be overwhelming. From endless social media feeds to the pressure to always be online. Our digital lives often leave us feeling stressed and distracted. But what if there was a way to simplify our digital experiences and regain control over our time and attention? Today, we'll explore the concept of digital minimalism, inspired by Stoic philosophy, to help you achieve a more intentional and focused digital life. Understanding digital minimalism. Digital minimalism is a philosophy that encourages intentional use of technology. It's about prioritizing the digital tools and activities that add value to our lives while eliminating those that don't. This approach helps reduce digital clutter, increase productivity, and improve mental well-being. At its core, digital minimalism is not about abandoning technology, but using it more purposefully. It involves critically examining how we spend our time online and making conscious decisions to limit distractions. This aligns closely with the Stoic principle of living in accordance with nature, which involves using our rational mind to make thoughtful choices. Digital minimalism encourages us to ask ourselves important questions. Do our digital habits serve our values and goals? Are we using technology as a tool for growth and connection? Or are we mindlessly consuming content that leads to stress and distraction? By reflecting on these questions, we can begin to design a digital life that supports our well-being and personal growth. Some key practices of digital minimalism include setting boundaries for screen time, curating our digital environments, and prioritizing offline activities. This approach not only reduces digital overwhelm, but also creates space for more meaningful experiences and connections. The benefits of digital minimalism. Embracing digital minimalism offers numerous benefits for our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Here are some of the key advantages. Improved focus and productivity. By reducing digital distractions, we can concentrate better on important tasks and achieve more in less time. This leads to increased efficiency and a greater sense of accomplishment. Stoicism teaches us the importance of focusing on what we can control, and digital minimalism helps us regain control over our attention and productivity. Enhanced mental clarity. Decluttering our digital lives reduces information overload, allowing us to think more clearly and make better decisions. This mental clarity can lead to greater creativity and problem-solving abilities. The Stoic practice of mindfulness encourages us to stay present and focused, which is supported by minimizing digital distractions. Better relationships. Spending less time on screens allows us to be more present with the people around us. This leads to deeper, more meaningful connections and improved communication. Stoic philosophy emphasizes the importance of meaningful relationships and community, which can be strengthened through digital minimalism. Increased well-being. Reducing digital overwhelm can lower stress levels and improve overall well-being. It allows us to engage in activities that bring joy and fulfillment, such as spending time in nature, pursuing hobbies, and practicing self-care. Stoicism teaches us to seek tranquility and contentment, which can be achieved by simplifying our digital lives. Greater alignment with values. Digital minimalism helps us align our digital habits with our core values and goals. It encourages us to use technology in ways that support our personal and professional growth rather than distract from it. This alignment with values is a key aspect of Stoic philosophy, which emphasizes living a virtuous and intentional life. More time for offline activities. By curating our digital environments and setting boundaries, we create more time for offline activities that enrich our lives. This can include reading, exercising, spending time with loved ones, and pursuing creative projects. Stoicism encourages us to live fully in the present moment, which is easier to achieve when we are not constantly distracted by digital devices. Practical strategies for digital minimalism with Stoicism. Now that we understand the benefits of digital minimalism, let's explore some practical strategies for incorporating it into our lives. enriched by Stoic wisdom. Conduct a digital declutter. Start by auditing your digital life. Identify the apps, websites, and devices that add value and eliminate those that don't. Unsubscribe from unnecessary email lists, delete unused apps, and organize your digital files. This process aligns with the Stoic practice of self-examination, where we reflect on our habits and make intentional changes. Set boundaries for screen time. Establish clear boundaries for when and how you use your devices. This might include setting specific times for checking emails and social media, turning off notifications, and creating device-free zones in your home. Stoicism teaches us to exercise self-discipline and control over our impulses, which can be applied to managing screen time. Prioritize meaningful activities. Focus on using technology for activities that align with your values and goals. This could include learning new skills, connecting with loved ones, and pursuing creative projects. Avoid mindless scrolling and consumption of content that doesn't serve your well-being. The Stoic principle of living in accordance with nature encourages us to engage in activities that foster growth and fulfillment. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness into your digital habits by being fully present and intentional with your screen time. This can involve taking regular breaks to stretch, breathe, and refocus. Practicing mindfulness helps us stay grounded and aware of our actions, a core tenet of Stoic philosophy. Reflect and journal. Keep a digital or physical journal to reflect on your digital habits and their impact on your life. Note any patterns of behavior that lead to stress or distraction and consider ways to adjust them. Journaling is a Stoic exercise that promotes self-awareness and personal growth. Engage in digital Sabbaths. Set aside regular times, such as weekends or evenings, to disconnect from all digital devices and engage in offline activities. Use this time to recharge, connect with nature, and focus on hobbies and relationships. Stoicism encourages us to seek balance and tranquility, which can be enhanced by taking breaks from digital consumption. Limit social media use. Social media can be a significant source of digital clutter and distraction. Consider limiting your use to specific times of day or reducing the number of platforms you engage with. Follow accounts that inspire and uplift you, and unfollow those that cause stress or negativity. Stoicism teaches us to guard our inner peace and focus on positive influences. Curate your digital environment. Create a digital environment that supports your well-being and productivity. This can include organizing your desktop, using productivity tools, and setting up apps that promote mindfulness and focus. A curated digital space aligns with the Stoic principle of living intentionally and minimizing distractions. Use technology to enhance, not distract. Be mindful of how you use technology. Choose tools and apps that enhance your life and help you achieve your goals, rather than those that serve as mere distractions. This approach is in line with the Stoic practice of using reason and judgment to make wise decisions. Reconnect with nature. Spend more time outdoors and engage in activities that connect you with nature. This can provide a much-needed break from screens and help you recharge. Stoicism teaches us to find peace and clarity in nature, which can be a powerful antidote to digital overwhelm. Overcoming challenges in digital minimalism. While digital minimalism offers many benefits, it can also present challenges. Here are some common obstacles and strategies to overcome them, guided by Stoic principles. Dealing with FOMO, fear of missing out. The fear of missing out can make it difficult to disconnect from social media and digital updates. To overcome this, remind yourself that you're not missing out on anything truly important. Focus on the present moment and the meaningful experiences you're gaining offline. Stoicism teaches us to let go of what we cannot control and find contentment in our current circumstances. Resisting digital temptations. It's easy to fall back into old habits, especially when digital distractions are just a click away. Use Stoic techniques such as premeditatio malorum, anticipation of obstacles, to prepare for temptations and develop strategies to resist them. This might include setting up digital barriers, such as app blockers, or finding alternative activities to engage in when you feel tempted. Maintaining consistency. Consistency is key to successfully implementing digital minimalism. Use Stoic practices like daily reflections and journaling to track your progress and stay committed to your goals. Reflect on your successes and areas for improvement and adjust your strategies as needed. Balancing digital and offline life. Finding the right balance between digital and offline activities can be challenging. Schedule regular offline activities that you enjoy and make them a priority. Use Stoic principles to evaluate the importance of different activities and make intentional choices that support your well-being. Managing external expectations. External expectations, such as work demands and social pressures, can make it difficult to reduce screen time. Communicate your boundaries clearly with others and seek support from those who understand your goals. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot, which can help us navigate external pressures. Dealing with relapses. It's normal to experience relapses and setbacks on your digital minimalism journey. When this happens, practice self-compassion and remind yourself that progress is not always linear. Use Stoic resilience to bounce back and continue working towards your goals. Reflect on what led to the relapse and adjust your strategies accordingly. Seeking support and accountability. Finding support from others who share your goals can be incredibly helpful. Join communities or groups focused on digital minimalism and Stoicism, where you can share experiences, challenges, and tips. Accountability partners can also provide motivation and encouragement. Integrating Stoic practices into digital minimalism. Stoicism offers valuable practices that can enhance our digital minimalism journey. Here are some ways to integrate Stoic principles into your digital minimalism practice. Daily reflection and journaling. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on your digital habits and their impact on your life. Use a journal to track your progress, note any challenges, and celebrate your successes. This practice promotes self-awareness and intentionality. Morning and evening routines. Establish morning and evening routines that set the tone for your day and help you wind down. In the morning, start with activities that nourish your mind and body, such as meditation, exercise, or reading. In the evening, disconnect from digital devices and engage in calming activities like journaling or reflecting on your day. Mindfulness and presence. Practice mindfulness by being fully present and intentional with your screen time. Take regular breaks to stretch, breathe, and refocus. Mindfulness helps you stay grounded and aware of your actions. Meditation and breathing exercises. Incorporate meditation and breathing exercises into your daily routine to reduce stress and increase focus. These practices help calm the mind and create a sense of inner peace. Gratitude practice. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, both online and offline. A gratitude practice helps shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, fostering a positive mindset. Premeditatio malorum. Anticipation of obstacles. Anticipate potential challenges and plan strategies to overcome them. This Stoic practice helps you prepare for obstacles and develop resilience. Living in accordance with nature. Align your digital habits with your core values and goals. Use technology in ways that support your growth and well-being and minimize activities that don't serve your higher purpose. Virtuous use of technology. Use technology as a tool for good, such as learning new skills, connecting with loved ones, and contributing to positive causes. Avoid mindless consumption and focus on activities that align with your values. Acceptance and letting go. Accept that some aspects of the digital world are beyond your control. Let go of the need for constant updates and validation from others. Focus on what you can control, such as your own actions and reactions. Digital minimalism, enriched with the wisdom of Stoicism, offers a powerful path to reclaiming our time, attention, and well-being in the digital age. By understanding the principles of digital minimalism, embracing its benefits, and implementing practical strategies, we can create a more intentional and balanced digital life. Let's commit to using technology mindfully, aligning our digital habits with our values, and cultivating inner peace through Stoic practices. Thank you for joining me on this journey to digital minimalism with Stoicism. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on digital minimalism and Stoic philosophy. Share your experiences and strategies for managing digital overwhelm in the comments below. Let's support each other on the path to a more balanced and intentional digital life.